Great, my people. This one now for part for of Edo State, where the citizens of Edo State can't destroy the banner, the poster when Mondo Bebolo, His Excellency Senator Mondo Bebolo put for the place for Edo State. They can't destroy because of say the insecurity. They're saying Tosin go give Edo State insecurity. Say that waiting they see so now somebody come and shout up and say Asiwaju is not settled, because if you see their banners now for APC banner, they write Asiwaju 2027 is settled. So see the angry citizens because of waiting the happen, this kidnapping and all the back for Edo State.